Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well you have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see Beeline on Bumble without paying. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that, what you're gonna do, you're simply gonna go ahead, access your Bumble app first, and afterwards you're simply gonna go ahead allow access notifications permission over here. Once you've done so, you can simply go ahead, find this kind of interface where you're simply gonna go ahead, swipe and start browsing your Bumble as you like. So if you just want to see this Beeline without actually paying for it, there is one method or one way you can find that out is tapping on this message icon that will be given you pull up profile right corner. Once you have done so, you can find this a kind of interface where you will find all of your matches. So let's go, we're gonna go ahead, swipe some people right. So let's go, swipe it, maybe letter, and then you're gonna go to your profile, and then if you over here you find this three horizontal, if you tap on it, and actually once you have started getting matches, once you start getting messages, you will find this option called match queue, which will show you profiles that you have liked or you have liked you back will appear here. That will simply show you your Beeline on top like that over there. That is the one way for you to say it. So this will be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.